So I got something new here from Uniden. It's an iGo Cam 60, or an accident cam. It would record on a loop an accident if you were to have an accident, and then you could recall that content and see whether it was your fault or the guy's fault or whatever. The iGo 60 is not just a black box accident recorder, it is an adventure cam. You wouldn't believe it, but it can record in 2K. So what you could use it for is to record your next adventure. Now the beauty of it as well is that when it records it, it actually can GPS locate where the recording was done. How good's that? You might be recording some incident where you rolled on your side or you crashed into a kangaroo, and then you go, where was that? Well, it'll tell you exactly on a GPS map when you pull up the vision. So I've just got this one here, and I'm going to go and record 10 weeks of All for Adventure.
Oh, here we go. Light at the end of the tunnel.
Finally, what do you see?
There's ocean and stuff. Nice.